Hello sa inyo. Ito ay continuation pa rin ng ating verse sa 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 7. Tapos na tayo sa love is patient, love is kind. Kasunod naman ay it does not envy. Now, ano ba yung definition ng envy? Ang envy is something that may kasama siyang resentment actually. So, may tinatawag na covet, which is you are wanting to have something someone else has. So, for example, yung sabi doon, neighbor's wife, or I think sabi, thou shall not covet, sabi sa Ten Commandments. Kumbaga, kung ano yung meron siya, gusto mo nun. Yun lang. Kumbaga, gusto mo naman makuha yung meron siya. The thing with envy is that there's an emotion, which is hatred, resentment, anger. Kung parang, interchangeable na siya, parang jealousy na din talaga. Na dapat meron din ako noon, dapat siya wala noon. Pero, di ba, yung pag-ibig ng Diyos, it's different. It's actually the opposite. He does not envy. He actually gives what He has. Di ba? Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, that's pagmamayari ng Diyos yan. Lahat ng meron tayo ngayon, pagmamayari ng Diyos. And He is giving it to you. Now, now that you know that God doesn't have this envy, because He is a perfect God and He is a loving God, and His character, His love does not have it, that would mean that walang selfish desire si Lord for you not to be successful, not to be fruitful, not to be prosperous, di ba? But, and again, iba yung definition ng pagiging prosperous, di ba? Kasi yung iba, tinitingnan pag marami kang pera. Kaya pag naisip mo, yung love na Diyos, yung Diyos, opposite siya ng envy. Hindi siya envious because He actually wants to give you things. And you can trust in God's love that He actually wanted to bless you, diba? To prosper you, and not to harm you. Sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11. Diba? And know that you can trust God. Kasi sabi niya sa Matthew 7:7, ask and you shall receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. So meaning, there's something about asking. And kunwari, stranger, di ba? How would you even ask a person for something that you do not have a personal, actually close relationship? Para makapanghingi ka ng, di ba? Ng alam mo mong bibigyan ka. Is you have to have a relationship with that person. Now, kung wala ka nun, why would He give you something? Ang kaibahan ng Lord, nag-aantay lang siya sa'yo. Di ba? Love is patient. Nag-aantay lang siya sa'yo. At sa sobrang kabutihan niya, ibibigay niya yun. Love is kind and it does not envy. So kapatid, how would you even have a close relationship with God? You read His Word, kasi kung saan mo ba siya makikilala? Paano mo siya makikilala kung hindi ka naman nagbabasa ng Bible, di ba? How would you know that His love does not envy kung hindi ka nagbabasa ng Bible? How would you know that He is good to His promise, di ba? Na kung ibabalik mo sa Kanya yung salita niya, di ba? Hindi yung pupunta sa wala lang. Tutuparin niya yun. So, if you need something right now, kung may iniisip kang gusto mo, the Lord is more than willing to give it to you. After reading the Word of God, you should always pray, di ba? Kasi kung walang pag-uusap, walang communication, how would you build that relationship? Kaya kapatid, connect with Him. Get back to Him. Have a blessed day.